Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can check for game updates in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to check for game updates but you don't know where to find it, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. This should not be that hard. So guys, it's really one step in this. Just go ahead and open your Steam app and log in first, and after that all you need to do is look at the top where you can find Steam. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see options like About Steam, Preferences, Check for Updates, Services, Hide Steam, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on Check for Updates. And guys, this is where you would find your Steam client update, and you would know if your Steam client is whether up to date or not. So guys, that's how you check for updates in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.